Hi, we're Brianne and Ben with our two dogs, Bella and Bucky. Together, we make up 4B Adventures. Over the last week, you will watch as we laid the tile, framed our cabinets, put together and installed our upper cabs, added our butcher block countertop, and lastly, installed our cabinet push button latches. Sitting cabinetry is definitely not our thing. We found a guy on Etsy who makes upper cabinets for the van life community. After calling and speaking with him personally, he agreed to make custom-sized cabinets for us. They were packed with such care, easy to put together, and all the hardware was included. Hands down, one of the best purchases we have made on our van. little push lock buttons for our cabinets. They come with little lock things that go on the inside of the cabinet, and then these go on the actual door. Okay, we're going to take you through the process we used to install, because all of our cabinets were kind of custom built and we built them all on our own. All right, so right now this is our door. Okay, and it actually opens this way. So we're going to go ahead and put it right about there. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take some red nail polish and we're gonna put it on the end right here, and then from there we'll hold it in place and then close the door, so that way it marks the door and we know where we're gonna have to drill. We use the 1-inch blade.